Cool, hi guys, so today we're teaching on the van and it's all about Boyles' law. So if you come in with the camera, let's have a look at what we are talking about today. Boyles' law, and it's about pressure, guys, in gases. And you need to remember this, pressure in a gas is inversely proportional to its volume. What does that mean? It means if you do one thing to one thing, the opposite happens to the other thing. Meaning if I double the volume, I halve the pressure. Let's explain that in a little bit more detail. So let's put our gas, if we come down here as near as you can get to see this, hopefully you can see that. We're going to put our gas, imagine I've just trapped some of the air here in a box and the particles are trapped in there, and these particles are going to bounce around and exert a pressure on the side of the container. Yeah, now let's just say that that's roughly about atmospheric pressure, which is 1000 kilopascals. Yeah, that's the pressure in the box that was the same as outside. Now I'm going to make the box smaller and let's see what happens to the pressure. So if we actually halve the size of that box, we've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 particles in there, the same amount of gas. But now, because it's such a small space, these particles are hitting the sides a lot more than here. So they're putting a lot more pressure on. And the pressure, like we said, because we've halved the volume, we are going to double the pressure. So the pressure in here is now going to be 200 kilopascals. And that will work the opposite way. Now, because I'm running out of space, I won't show you the opposite way, but hopefully you can work that out. The formula that you need to know is this, guys. And it is P1 times volume 1 is always equal to P2 times volume 2. Pressure times volume of the initial container will always equal the pressure times the volume in the second one. And you can show that here. I can show that 100 times 1 is 100 kPa, and then 200 times half, or 0.5, is 100 kPa. So that times that, well, that pressure times volume of the first one is always the pressure times volume of the second one, which means that it's a constant, and the pressure and volume are inversely proportional. I'll shoot you some quiz questions on that, and I'll add anything else that I've forgotten in the video. Have a lovely day.